projects and the project list. There's task lists. These are some of the things that came from the setup that they gave us. But we're just going to focus on the project list here. And then the ones that I'm going to be looking at are the points with locator and tablet. These are for the videos. So here's where I'll be collecting points. And I'll show you how to do that and take screenshots too. Obviously, we're looking at a map of the world, and we hit this GPS button in the lower left, and it'll plug us right into where we are on the globe at this point in time. And the antenna is showing blue connected. It's seeing satellites, even though we're indoors. It's iffy, but once we get outside, it'll stay on and give us a better reading from the satellites.
So when you take a point, you push down on this button here, and then you push this button here to send it to the tablet.
So what we're going to do is we're going to take some points on the gas line. We're going to again come up here to add a feature, my position. This would be a gas pipe or line. And I'll be using the locator, so these will fill in and you'll see them when we're done. So this is the final shot of our gas line here in suburban Southern California. As you can see, we went down out of the cul-de-sac and onto the main line, which is a common trench. And as you can see, these points are super easy to collect. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up here and we're going to add a feature from our position. And what this is a hydrant. So we'll look at our list down here. It's a water hydrant. Got a list here, asset ID. These are completely configurable lists that you can put together to collect information while you're out in the field. We'll say quality level A. We'll say done. We'll put our antenna on the asset itself, and we'll hit the little guy with the flag, and that's it. That's how we've taken one single point. We can now highlight that point. Come in here to information, and we can capture a picture of that point, and it'll be associated with it. We'll say OK, and we're done. We now have a collection of 3 water valves, so we can take their points just as easily as we did the other water hydrant. Basically come up here, my position, look for water valves, take the first point, my position, water valves, second point, and my position, third point. You can also take a step back, zoom into our field here, highlight one of the points. Take a picture, and we're done. Go out there and good luck.